Welcome back. In our last video, we had a look at the KNX segment coupler and how it also serves as security proxy. In this video, we will review some device parameters, the differences there are, and the effects they can have. We are in the first tab in the Buildings panel. In the meantime, we reverted this project back to KNX Secure because the devices support it and Secure is always better. In our cabinet, we have a power supply. You can see it does not have parameters. This IP interface contains some documentation on the Parameters tab. And here on the switching actuator, the manufacturer prepared an extensive parameter dialog. This manufacturer offers some additional context help that can be enabled like so. By clicking here, ETS 6 highlights the parameters that have been changed. This motion sensor has a completely different parameter dialog, as it serves a very different purpose. But also here, I can customize completely how my KNX installation operates. On this RF switching actuator, I can change how the connected load is controlled. Lastly, this LED controller provides a description and wiring instructions. By default, it has 5 group objects enabled. By changing parameters according to my requirements, I can influence which objects are enabled, but we will fast forward that part. Feel free to pause if needed. With these changes, I now have 9 objects available for linking with groups. But we will do that in the next video. That's it for today. As always, you can find the link to the exported project in the description below, and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for upcoming videos.